Hey there, fantastic artists! Welcome back to Easy Peasy Art. Today we're conjuring up some creative magic as we bring to life our own adorable and giggly little witch. So get your art gear ready because we're in for a spellbinding adventure. We'll start by crafting that iconic witch hat. Gracefully pointing down from the top. Now let's sketch out our witch's face. Beneath the hat, we'll add a wavy, curly hair border that'll be our witch's charming locks. This witch is all about fun. So let's give her a cute expression that'll make you giggle along. Don't forget to sprinkle some freckles on both cheeks for that extra touch of charm. Our witch is all dressed up in a long robe with both arms out, ready for some magical mischief. Those wavy cascades of hair flow down her back, nearly touching the ground from both sides. And of course, she's got a broomstick in her left hand, as any witch should. To complete our bewitching scene, add a crescent moon and floating clouds here and there. A sprinkle of sparkles will add that whimsical touch. Oh, and don't forget the cloth patch on her robe, as if she's expertly patched up her clothes with fabric applique. Now let's infuse life into our playful witch. Paint her iconic witch hat a classic shade of blue. Her hair radiates warmth and happiness in a vibrant orange. The witch's skin takes on a delightful yellow hue. Her robe is a soothing gray with playful red applique patches, stitched with care. As for the broomstick, let's make it a rich, earthy brown. And there you have it, our playful little witch ready to bring joy and magic to our canvas before we wrap up. If you had a bewitchingly good time creating this charming witch, please hit that like button and subscribe to Easy Peasy Art for more magical art adventures. Until next time, young artists, keep creating, keep exploring, and let your imagination soar.